Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your work nicely. I hope that all the work that you are completing very neatly and nicely, so that when that copy we will see, at that time we will give you full marks on that. So I think you all are doing everything nicely. Now, students, today, as we have already started and we have already done two of the exercise of this chapter, two or I think three exercises of this chapter. Addition of measures we have already talked, and measurement and subtraction of measurement also we have talked. Today we are going to discuss the next topic in this. So let's see what's the next topic. Next topic we are having with us in this. Today we are going to discuss about the multiplication of measurement. How we used to multiply a number when it is given in measurement, means it is given in kg and gram, liter, milliliter, meter, centimeter, kilometer, meter. When it is given in this form, how we used to I can say multiply it. So for multiplying those numbers, for multiplying, it is just the same as ordinary multiplication which we used to do, like you can see. Okay, like you can see, when we will discuss the questions, then you will understand it's just the same as ordinary multiplication which we used to do. Okay, from the right side we used to start multiplying the numbers, and to the left we used to go. In the same way here also it will be given to you. See, likewise, you can see here the question which I have opened. Here you can see it is written, multiply 31 liters and 352 milliliter by 7. If suppose this is a given number, you have to multiply it by 7. So the first thing which you have to do here is you have to arrange in liter and milliliter column. Means two columns you have to make, one for the liters and one for the milliliters. After that you will write the numbers like this. Okay, you will write the number like this. You will start doing the multiplication now. Okay, so how we will do, we used to start doing the multiplication from this side, from the right side, and then we used to go to the left side. So right side, the number which is written just above 7, that is 2. So we will multiply 2 into 7, that we will get 14. So 4 you will write down and 1 you will take carry. In the same way, 7 into 5, then you will get 35, and plus you have already written that remainder one upside, that will be added in this one and it will become 36. So 6 will be written down and 3 will be taken carry. Now 7 into 3 you have to do. So 7 3s are 21 and plus 3 24, isn't it? So only 4 you will write here and 2 you will take carry in the liters column. After that you will do what? 7 into 1 you will do. 7 ones are 7 and plus 2 9, isn't it? 7 ones are 7 and plus 2 9. You will write 9 here. Okay, clear? After that again 7 into 3, isn't it? So 7 3s are 21, which is written here 21. Okay, like this only. So what you have got? Answer will be 219 liters and 464 milliliter. This will be the answer which you will get. Okay, 219 liters and 464 milliliters. Okay, so it's just a simple ordinary multiplication which we used to do. Here what it has been done now, the milliliter has been done in the milliliter column and the liters has been done in the liter column. Separately it is been done, and after that we are seeing that this is written 2464 milliliter. So means 2000 here, if it is written, it means we can convert this milliliter into liter. So when you will convert this, now you will get 2 liters and 464 milliliter. So the milliliter one we will leave like that and the liter one we will take carry. Okay, and that carry is being added here in the last one. Okay, but what I have done, I have not done in that way because I think it's lengthier than what I am explaining. So the way in which I have explained to you, that is much easier than the way which is given here. Okay, you can do like this also, but here what you have to do now, you have to convert the milliliter into liter first, and then that liter you have to add in the liter, and then you will get the answer. And what I did, I have just taken this number here because we are already knowing we used to write one number only downside and the second number we used to take upside, and we used to write upside of the next number. So this same thing I have done. Next few more questions are there. You can see in this question also it is written multiply 31 liters and 352 milliliters by 7. Okay, you have to multiply it by 7. You first arrange this liter and milliliter in a particular column. Here what it has been done, it has not been arranged like that, and it is just put the decimal in between. So we are already knowing that 1 liter is just equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, it means that after three numbers we have to put the decimal. So that only we have done. After 352, okay, but means before 352 we have put 0, and then I have written 31, and then I have multiplied 7 with all the digits. Okay, I have got the same answer which I have got previously. That which I have got previously means 219.464. Only the difference is that in place of 219, there it was written 219 liter and 464 milliliter. But in this question, in place of this liter, it is being put only point. Okay, and we are already knowing the number which is written before the decimal. Okay, that all number, okay, is in liter, and the number which is written after the decimal, that is in milliliter. Okay, it doesn't the decimal will not going to change the value of liter or milliliter. Now next what it is written? It is written the decimal point in the multiplicand and the product should align. Okay, the decimal point in the multiplicand you are knowing that with the number which you used to multiply, which is used to, which we are going to multiply. So that multiplicand and the product should means should be aligned. Means the way we have put the number of the way we have put the decimal in the multiplicand, in the same way we have to align the product means the answer which we have got. In the same way, this one is also here for you. There it is given in kg and gram, means the mass is given. Arrange in kg and gram column first and multiply then and convert gram to the kg. Means convert means the same thing. Okay, just see what it has been done. 4 we have multiplied with 0. So we are already knowing if any number is being multiplied with 0, we used to get the 0. Okay, when any number is multiplied with 0, we get 0. When any number is multiplied with 1, we get the number itself. Okay, so this only here 4 into 0 when we have done, we have got 0. Again 4 into 0 we have got 0, and then 4 into 5 we have got 20. So 20 only 0 will be written here, and 2 we will take carry to the kg column. After that 4 into 8 or 8 into 4 you will do. Okay, so you will read the table of 8 also you can read. Okay, or you can read the table of 4 also. When you will read the table of 4 8 times, then also you will get 32, or 8 4 times you will get 32. 32 plus 2 you will do, then you will get 34. So 4 will be written down and 3 will take carry. Again 4 into 7 or 7 into 4 will be 28 plus 3. It is 31. Okay, 28 plus 3 31, which is already written here. So the answer which we have got is 314 kgs. Okay, what it has been done, it has done what? See, why it is written 314 kg, that also I am telling. Suppose here it is written yes, 314 we have got, and here we have got 0. So that is why it is written 3. What I have done, I have already written that 2 here only, and that I have added there with 32 only, and then I have got 340. Here what it has been done, this 1000 is first we have got in the kg column. We are already knowing 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So that 1000 gram means that 2000 gram is being converted into kg, then we will get 2 kg, and that only been done here, and that 2 kg has been added in 312, which we then after that we have got 340. The same way is there, only here they have converted and then they have got, and there we have not converted anything, and just we have taken the carry to the next, and then we have done. In both the way it is, you will get the same answer, and both are correct. See, after this multiplication and division we are not going to do today, so division leave it. not going to do the division today, only multiplication we will talk. It is written multiply 6 kgs and 345 gram by 7. So you have to first arrange it in kg and gram column. After that you have to multiply 7 with 5, 7 with 4, 7 with 3, and then 7 with 6. Like this, from here we used to start from the right side. Okay, then like this we used to go until 6 we will go, and then after completing the whole we will get the answer as 44 kgs and 415 gram. Okay, we will get 44 kgs and 415 gram. Okay, when you will multiply you will get this answer. In the same way, this meter and centimeter is also being done. What it is being done, this is given 28 meters and 12 centimeters. So we have here, it is not being arranged, but you will arrange. Here it will be meter, and here it will be centimeter. Okay, there will be line in between, and then you will multiply. Okay, here two numbers are given, 18 is given. So first we will multiply with 8 all. Okay, and then we will multiply with 1 all, like this we will do. Okay, 8 into 2 you will do, you will get 16. So 6 is written down and 1 is written, we will write up. 8 into 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9, which is written here. After that 8 into 8 you will do. Okay, 8 into 8 you will do, you will get 64. So 4 we will write down and 6 we will take carry. Okay, after that again we will multiply 8 into 2. So 2 8s are again 16. Then after that you will add this. So 16 plus 6, when you will add you will get 22. So that is it is written. So the first answer, by multiplying 2812 by 8, we have got 22496. After that you will multiply with 1. So but before starting multiplication with the second digit, in the first column just below 6 we will put 0. Okay, we will put 0. After that we can start multiplying. 1 into 2 will be 2, 1 into 1 will be 1, 1 into 8 will be 8, and 1 into 2 will be 2. So this much we have done. After that we will give the multiplication sign here. We will try to add both the digits so that we can get the exact product. 6 plus 0 is 6, 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 you will write down, 1 we will take again carry. 4 plus 1, 5, plus 1, 6, which is written here 6. Okay, after that 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 is written down. Okay, and 1 we will take carry. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So this is the answer which we will get. The answer we will write like this: 506 meter and 16 centimeter. So on multiplying 28 meters and 12 centimeter by 18, we will get 506 meters and 16 centimeter. You can see here one more question is there. It is written 90 kilometers and 1 meter. So 1 kilometer is just equivalent to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer is just equivalent to 1000 meter. So it means that after 3 digit, the number which is given after 3 digit, the decimal will be put. So from the right side we will count 6, 5 and 8. Means after 6, 5 and 8 we will put decimal, and then we will write 90, which has been done here. After that we have done the multiplication. We have multiplied 9 into 6. Okay, then we have multiplied 9 into 5, then we have multiplied 9 into 8, and then we have multiplied 9 into 9, and lastly we have multiplied 9 into 1. And after multiplying one by one, like when we have multiplied 9 into 6, okay, so 6 nines are you do, or either 9 6 are do. In both the cases we are already knowing this, that in multiplication, in any order if we multiply we get the same product. Okay, either we multiply 6 into 9, then we will get 54, or you multiply 9 into 6, then also you will get 54 only. Okay, in any order if we multiply the number we get the same product. So 9 into 6 when we are doing, then we are getting 54. So 4 is only written down and 5 we will take carry. After that 9 into 5 or 5 into 9 you will do, you will get 45, plus 5 is 50. So 0 will be written here. Okay, here it is 4. Wait. Okay, here it is 4, here it is 0, and again 5 is written down upside. Now 8 into 9 into 8 or 8 into 9. Okay, in both the cases you will get 72. 72 plus 5 will be 77. So 7 we will write here and 7 we will take carry. Again 9 into 9, which is 81. Okay, 81 plus 7, when you will do, what you will get? You will get 81 plus 7. Yes, 81 plus 7 when you will do, then you will get 88. So 8 only will be written down, and again 1 8 will be taken carry. Now 9 into 1. 9 ones are 9 and plus 8 is 17. So we will get the answer as 178 kilometers and 704 meter. Okay, it will be written 178 kilometers and 704 meter, and dot will be put. Okay, means decimal will be put. Decimal used to be put according to the number, means as the number which is given in the multiplicand, in the same way you have to align the number which you will get in the product column. Okay, in the same way this question also we have to do, like 8 kilometers and 198 meters by 8 you have to multiply. After that, when you will multiply this, then 8 into 8 you will do, again you will get 64. So 4 will be written down and 6 will be written up. 9 into 8 you do, okay, or 8 into 9 you do. In both the cases you will get 72. 72 plus 6, when you will do, you will get 78. So 8 is written down and 7 is written up. Now 8 into 1 is 8 and plus 7 is 15. So 5 we will write down and 1 we will take carry. After that, 8 into 1. So 8 ones are 8. Okay. No, sorry, 8 into 8. Okay, so 8 into 8 again you have to do. 8 into 8 is 64 and plus 1 which we have written upside, then 65. So answer which we have got is 6500 65,584. Okay, now in meter and kilometers and meter. Okay, so 65 will be in kilometers and 584 will be in meter. Here it is not been distributed, here it is not been written in meter and kilometers column, but it should be written and it should be there upside only. After it there should be line drawn, and this side it should be written kilometers and this side it should be written meters. Okay, so that later on we will not get confused or we don't have to do anything. And the meters column will be meters column will be multiplied first, and then the kilometers column will be multiplied as meters column has been multiplied, and then we will get the answer which we have got, that is 65 kilometers and 584 meters. If we have to write the same in decimal form, we will write 65 kilometers point 584 meters. 584 meters. Okay, I hope you all have understood how to multiply. This is just the ordinary multiplication, as we used to multiply the means how the way we used to multiply. Okay, and then we used to get the product of that. In the same way here also we have to do. From the right side we will start doing the multiplication, and after that we used to continue, carry on and continue, and then after that we used to get the product after multiplying the all digits. So in the same way you all will also do. Okay, I hope there will be no issue or no problem you will face while doing this, and everything will be clear to you and you will do it very nicely. That is all, my dear. Thank you, everyone.